Good morning, dear children. Hearty welcome in your online class. Class first, subject GK. General knowledge. Your book name is Knowledge Enhancement. Today, lesson 3. We will study about safety on roads. We will read about traffic rules. Dear student, we should be very careful on the road. Starting. Dear student, as you know, and we also that we should be very careful on the roads. We should always follow traffic rules on the road. Dear student, on the road there is many vehicles and traffic, so that you should not play and run on the road. In the safety on the road, one thing is there, as you are seeing here. We should know about traffic lights. This is the picture of traffic light. Fill in the blanks given below. नीचे जो दिए हैं ये खाली स्थान, उन्हें भरना है, फिल करना है. टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स. हेल्प बॉक्स इज गिवन हियर. ग्रीन, येलो, रेड. यू हैव ऑल्सो स्टडी दिस ट्रैफिक लाइट इन UKG क्लास ऑल्सो, सो दैट in the first blank we will fill RE. And D is written already. Then it will be the word red. Red says stop. The red light signal means to say stop. रेड लाइट का जो सिग्नल होता है तो वो हमें रुकने के लिए सूचित करता है. नंबर 2, YELLOW. Yellow says ready. The signal of yellow light says us to be ready when the light will be green. जब तक कि लाइट ग्रीन नहीं हो जाती तब तक के लिए हमें रेडी रहने के लिए येलो लाइट सूचित करती है. नंबर 3, here you have to fill GREEN. This word is green. Green light means to say go. Green light says go. Green light हमसे कहती है कि आप जाओ, चले जाओ. When in big cities, when there are crossing and intersection, there red light placed there. Traffic lights placed there. Traffic light means the lights used to control the movement of traffic. ट्रैफिक के मूवमेंट्स को कंट्रोल करना ट्रैफिक लाइट का काम होता है. On every busy road there are special points called zebra crossing. Pedestrian also it is called. Every busy road when we have to cross, we should always use zebra crossing. You are seeing here in this picture this boy with his father crossing the road. He is crossing the road by zebra crossing. It is a safety thing for everyone. And you can also use footpath when you are crossing a busy road. जब आप कोई व्यस्त रोड को क्रॉस कर रहे होते हैं तो आप फुटपाथ या जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पेडेस्ट्रियन, मीन्स पैदल चलने वालों के लिए. इट इज़ कॉल्ड पेडेस्ट्रियन. वी मस्ट मेक यूज ऑफ जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग सब वेज टू क्रॉस रोड्स. हम रोड्स को पार करने के लिए जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग और छोटे रास्ते या फुटपाथ का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग आर सेफ पॉइंट्स मार्क्ड विद वाइट स्ट्रिप्स पैरेलल across the road indicating where people should cross the road. These are the safety points which are made by our government to make us safe on the road and crossing the road also. Dear student, all of you have seen a traffic light in television or in mobile also. Traffic light look like this. You have seen this traffic light? Yes, you have seen. The first light, red light. Red light says stop. Red light हमें रुकने के लिए बताती है. Yellow light says ready. येलो लाइट रेडी रहने के लिए बोलती है. एंड ग्रीन लाइट मीन्स टू गो. और ग्रीन लाइट का मतलब होता है कि हमें चले जाना है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ट्रैफिक लाइट द ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर द ट्रैफिक पुलिसमैन टू कंट्रोल द ट्रैफिक ऑन द बिजी रोड. Safety on the roads, and we will take traffic light in the rules of safety on the road. This is a very sweet poem for you, which is you also which is there in the UKG also. Red light, what do you say? Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop. Yellow light, what do you say? I say ready and ready. Green light, what do you say? I say go and go away. I say go and go away. Dear student, are you understanding the meaning of the poem? I can also एक्सप्लेन इट इन हिंदी. जब हम रेड लाइट से पूछते हैं कि तुम क्या कहती हो, तो रेड लाइट कहती है कि मैं रुकने के लिए कहती हूँ. जब हम येलो लाइट से पूछते हैं कि तुम क्या कहती हो, तो वो कहती है कि मैं तैयार रहने के लिए और वेट करने के लिए कहती हूँ. देन ग्रीन लाइट से जब हम पूछते हैं व्हाट डू यू से, तब ग्रीन लाइट कहती है अब आप जा सकते हो, चले जाओ. नाउ योर एक्सप्लेनेशन इज कंप्लीटेड. And I will give you some work you will do in your notebook, means copy. In your copy you will do this work. This is your CW class work. Which notebook you have made for GK? जो कॉपी आपने GK के लिए बनाई है. You will note down lesson 3 in the first line. And the name safety on roads and traffic light also, and the date 30/3/21. Then leave one line and note down fill up. Number 1 fill up RED, red. Red says stop. Red means red light. Red light says stop. Number 2 YELLOW, yellow says ready. Yellow means yellow light says ready. Number 3 GREEN, green. Green says go. Green means green light says go. Then you will fill. I have underlined these letters. In the same way you also do this work. Number 4 ZEBRA, zebra. CROSSING, crossing. This spelling also you have to learn. Zebra crossing.
चलो
मैं एक और 5 नंबर पे लिख दूँ, उसकी स्पेलिंग लिख दूँ। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग फिल अप दीज आर क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, you will do these question answer on the that page also where you have done fill up. Question number 1, what does red light say? Answer, red light says stop. Question number 2, what does yellow light say? Answer, yellow light says ready. Question number 3, what does green light says? Answer, green light says go. This work you have done in one page and these are the matching you will do on the next page. You have to do this matching on the next page. I have right here matching in the straight answer, which is the answer I have write in the front of the question. Red light says stop, traffic rules, green light go, zebra crossing, yellow light ready. These are the words and these are their matching words. You have to match these words, so that's why I have write straight answer here. These are questions and these are answers. You will learn after completing your work in GK copy. You will learn all the work and practice in your rough copy. Have a nice day. Thank you. Dear student, are you seeing this traffic light picture? This is your creative work. You can also make this type of traffic light in your notebook. You will make, this is your creative work. You will make this same type of traffic light in your notebook. Okay, it's your work.